Hi, my name's Rachel. I'm the Rachel's Manager at Hafan y Waun Care Home. Hafan y Waun Care Home is a purpose-built care home with a layout and initial design feature that promotes the independence of every resident. Each of the 5 wings within the care home are designed to be self-contained and have everything that is required to run effectively and safely. Everything is within a short walking distance, i.e. the lounges, the dining area, toilets and all the bedrooms have ensuite facilities. When discussions re the planned merger with Together began, we realised that we had a lot to do to improve the environment to ensure that it was fit for purpose, keeping up to date with the regulations and legislation and meeting the expectations of our current and future residents. We needed to create an environment that supports individual care and support needs, improve and promote well-being, offering a home-from-home experience, enabling residents to feel a sense of belonging. This is where we, as a team, used our years of experience, skills and knowledge. Using evidence-based research that supports enabling environments, we began to plan our vision. The planning of our vision ran alongside the day-to-day management of a busy care home. Our vision was vast but also exciting, as we were given the opportunity to provide our residents with a modern facility that exceeded all expectations. The work then began on creating the vision. Whilst the redesign of the environment has been at the top of our priorities to enable us to excel in person-centred care, we have also been focusing on integrating staff teams and planning the admission of residents to the newly refurbished wing. I am proud to be a part of Team Ceredigion, who with hard work and dedication has brought our vision to life.
Hi, I'm Matt. I'm a projects officer for Ceredigion, focusing on care. Over a period of around 10 weeks, with the help of local contractors, we've renovated 20 ensuite bedrooms, as well as communal corridors and lounges. Focus has been placed on ensuring that the floors, walls and ceiling finishes are fresh, clean, modern, with chosen colours to accommodate any dementia or visually impaired requirements. The same approach has been followed in terms of lighting, heating and ventilation spaces. As well as doing this in the bedrooms and social spaces, we've upgraded the existing kitchen and dining room to follow the idea of making everything dementia friendly, while ensuring the feel is as close as normal to home life. Overall, we hope the residents will settle in well and enjoy being part of the Hafan y Waun family.
My name is Shelley, I'm the Deputy Manager of Hafan y Waun. So welcome to one of our newly refurbished rooms. As you can see, the room is decorated in a really welcoming colour for the residents. The flooring is in line with infection control, but also it has a really nice look to it as well. It feels nice and homely. The furniture that we've used is all dementia friendly. So each room also has a floor sensor and a nurse call point. This enables residents to be able to alert staff if they need any assistance. And also at night it will alert staff if anyone has had a fall. So each room also has its own ensuite, which is painted in dementia friendly colours, and the flooring is all in line with infection control. The purpose of having ensuites, other than for ease for residents, is to be able to promote their respect and their dignity, because they've got their own privacy within their own room.
Couldn't be more happy that she is here in Hafan y Waun. Hafan y Waun isn't just a care home, it is her home. The staff, I just cannot praise them enough. They look after all of the residents with such care, such kindness, such attention and such respect for the people that they are. And it is true that dementia can sometimes change people, but they seem to see the person behind the dementia. So the fact that Hafan y Waun arranges things like music therapy, concerts, groups coming to carry out all sorts of activities, she's really enjoying that. We just feel so privileged that she has been able to come here, and so glad that the council has taken over and is taking on board residents' views about their own home, Hafan y Waun care home, and also the families' needs, the residents' families. So I just feel that we are, as family, very lucky to have found Hafan y Waun and that Mother is here.